urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Geauga, Portage, and Summit. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for northern Portage County in northeastern Ohio, southeastern Geauga County in northeastern Ohio, northern Summit County in northeastern Ohio, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Cuyahoga Falls, or 8 miles north of Akron, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Kent, Hudson, Twinsburg, Talmadge, Streetsboro, and Macedonia around 9:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Ravenna and Manaway around 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Parkman, Brady Lake, Peninsula, Richfield, Monroe Falls, Stowe, Aurora, Silver Lake, Hiram, and Sugar Bush Knolls.